hands-free multimeter measurements.
Connecting a wire to a multimeter probe so that it doesn't fall off. For the red probe, select a red wire, about 6 inches long. Strip off 2 or 3 inches off of one end, and then wrap it 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 times, whatever it takes to use up all that wire. And then with the needle nose pliers, depress the end into the groove so that it's firmly attached. And then strip off about 1/4 of an inch to go into the circuit board. This way, the probe can be connected to the circuit board and the hands can be free.
Press the wire into the groove at the end of the probe.